And we're back. It is March 14th, 2025. Today's Friday at 6:30 and the market's open. Let's get our 5-minute high, 5-minute low levels set. Wait for 6:35 to come around. We have a red label folder event, news event at 7 o'clock. There's actually two of them happening at the same time. Some inflation data and consumer sentiment data. So we're going to be waiting until afterwards, and then we'll see if our strategy presents itself. Until then, let's wait these first 5 minutes. All right, here's our levels right now. We have our 5-minute high right here. This is going to be our pre-market high, and our 5-minute low, and our pre-market low all the way down here. We do have a bit of an uptrend going on. The market's in a slight recovery. We did flush a little bit yesterday and have a nice pivot upwards. Not sure which way the market's going to go. We're just going to, be patient, sit and wait and see. We do have a lot of really good displacement right now. If we get a retest back into our 5-minute high with strong price action above our 5-minute high level, I might hop into this before 7 o'clock if we have enough time. But if it's like 6:45, maybe 6:50, and we're still not here yet, I might just wait until the 7 o'clock. No, I will wait until the 7 o'clock. So we're getting a nice slow, steady step retest into our 5-minute high right here. I want to see our price action. I want to see what with a candlestick close above it. We do have a decent amount of time before 7 o'clock. If this can come into this level here, touch the zone, and then hold above it, I might be hopping into our long here. And then I'll just target high of day. Now, you know what? I'm going to wait until 7 o'clock. I don't want to be caught in a windfall with, like, in between a trade and the news. Like, if it goes in my favor, that's awesome. But still, I just don't want to be caught in something like that. So let's just be patient, wait until 7 o'clock. We didn't actually get, we got a retest, but it didn't come into our level and zone here. It's pretty well close enough to it, but I always like to see it touch or break through it and then hop into something. So we are sitting and being patient, waiting. We're getting some nice long wicks right here with smaller body candlestick bodies. The buyers are really starting to step in, claiming this level up here. We still haven't gotten a proper retest into our 5-minute high here or pre-market high, to be honest. We have about 10 more minutes until the 7 o'clock news. What I do think is going to happen here now is we'll probably see at 7 o'clock a big bump up this way. We won't really have our 5-minute high to come back and retest into. If it's good news, we'll probably continue seeing it go up. In that case, we might be able to play off of the previous day high or maybe one of these liquidity zones. We'll see if we get a break and a retest out of them. I might just not trade today as well, if we don't actually get a proper retest into one of our levels, our key levels. All right, we got about 2 more minutes until the 7 o'clock news. We're coming really close to our 5-minute high retest right now. I'm going to wait until after the news though, because this thing could easily just blow right through it, wake me out in either direction. Plus, this is actually kind of a stronger candle of the sellers starting to step in and reclaim the level here. There's our retest into our 5-minute high along with our pre-market high. We'll see what this candlestick closure looks like. We do also have 1 minute until, about 30 more seconds until our 7 o'clock news hits. And there's the 7 o'clock news. That's why we wait, guys. Let the dust settle a little bit. We did have a break of our 5-minute low, being an instant retest right back up. Oh man, I'm glad I have patience to wait for this. I mean, this is a good retest of our 5-minute high. If this wasn't, we didn't have 7 o'clock news, this would have been perfect. Well, actually not really, because this little candle, and then we did have a candlestick closure below our 5-minute high. Regardless, I'm glad I waited. There's our break above our 5-minute high and our pre-market high. Getting some good displacement right now. Let's wait for a retest back into our 5-minute high level, and we'll hop into a long. Getting our retest back into our 5-minute high right now. I'm gonna wait for a strong candle close. I don't like how much of a wick we have right here on this candle. Sellers are starting to step back in. Let's see if the buyers can hold this level here. Alright, that was a candlestick close below our 5-minute high. What I don't want to see happen right now is a lot of chop. Because of the uncertainty of like how much this news event affected things. It came all the way down, and we have this large wick right here where the buyers tried to reclaim this level. Came back up, but now it's kind of pretty equal with sellers to buyers. The buyers are struggling to reclaim this level right here. We're in a downward trend. We do have some decent support being built right here, however. What I want to see have happen is this downward trend continue to go down, so the buyers will fail here, break into our 5-minute low, we'll break through this support level, and then have a retest here and hopefully hop out of it before 8 o'clock. Got about a half hour left until I'm about to call it quits for the day. Alright, looks like the buyers are finally reclaiming the level here. They broke this downward trend. Let's get a bit more of a push to our 5-minute high here with a retest. And end Friday green here. Here's our break of our 5-minute high. Very little bit of a break, but we'll get a little bit more displacement before we watch for our retest. Gonna wait for this candlestick to close. See how the buyers and sellers fare. Sellers kind of stepped in right here, pushed this down. Looks like they're trying to reclaim this level right now. If the buyers can hold this with a green candlestick above our 5-minute high, I'll hop into a long here. Might like that close. I want to see the buyers step in here and have this candlestick close above our 5-minute high right here, along with a nice long wick, and then I'll hop into a long. As of now, it does look like the sellers are still reclaiming this level though. We did create a new downward trend. We are continuing to get higher lows, higher low right here, higher low right here. This is a higher low right here. Sorry, a lower high. Said that backwards. These highs keep getting lower. I do want to see the trend be broken again. We're getting close to our 5-minute high breakout and retest. I want to see a candlestick close above this. I'll hop into a long.
Order submitted.
We broke this lower high right here, creating a new one. Let's hope we could. I want to see this break this level right here and hit our first profit target. We broke our downward trend. Get rid of that. Right now we're creating a new upward trend. Let's see if we'll hold this line, this trend line here, ride it all the way up to our first profit target. Sellers are starting to step back in again. Lost a lot of volume in the market. A lot of uncertainty, it looks like. We're approaching our first profit target right now. Getting very close to it. We'll hit it hopefully in the next minute or two. I came so close to breaking this, well, it wouldn't be high of day, but breaking this market structure of this lower high. It's not even a point. Like, it came there and it looks like it's acting as resistance right now. All right, looks like our 5-minute high level's holding pretty well. Let's just see this. I want to see this candlestick close green like this, and then we'll hopefully see another leg up. We'll hit our first profit target. There we go. We got a candlestick close green above. Now let's just see us hit our first profit target, and then I might just close out of the position given the time and the relative weakness of what the market looks like is giving us.
Target. Order canceled.
Alright, we hit our first profit target. Move my stop loss up. Let's see if we struggle with this liquidity zone right here. It's a weekly liquidity zone. I might just close out of this. I like being up about $500 for the day. All right, we broke through the liquidity zone with pretty much with good ease. Nice.
Order
All
canceled.
we just broke through our second profit target. All right. With that being said, that was a lot of patience. It's exactly 8 o'clock, and I'm done for the day, done for the week, ending the week green. With that being said, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys on Monday.